Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Welcome to Edgewater, British Columbia, a small community located in the Columbia Valley, surrounded by the stunning natural beauty of the Rocky and Purcell Mountains. The community gets its name from being at the edge of the waters of the Columbia River. Edgewater was originally settled in the early 20th century, primarily as a farming community. The fertile land and the proximity to water made it an ideal place for agriculture. Today, Edgewater is a peaceful place where people can enjoy a slower pace of life. Whether you're passing through or planning to stay a while, Edgewater provides a perfect base for exploring the Columbia Valley and the surrounding mountains. Thank you for joining us on this drive through Edgewater, British Columbia.
Thanks for watching!